Hello everybody, and how are you today? Absolutely splendid? Great. Select the plus sign and select Instruments. Go to the keyboard and select Alchemy Synths. Click on the button at the top and select Mallets. After that, select Shimmering Bells. Practice for a little while. Press the record button to record your tune. And then press the stop button to stop the recording. Then press on the grid pattern to go back. Play your new instrument. Just click on it. Listen to the chorus and see what you think. You might want to adjust the levels a little, so open up the mixer on the right and move some of the levels so that it sounds right. Select an instrument that you like, choose from the options. You might also be able to change the style of music. Here we can change from cinematic to romantic. We can also change from chords to notes. The notes make it sound pretty scary. Press on single notes or press on a whole column. Click on the Save button at the top, then hold your file down and rename it with your class, your name and your title. Press on your new song and select Share. Select Song and go to High Quality. Then select Share again. Select Open In. Select More and scroll down to iMovie. When iMovie opens, select Create a New Project and your clip will be dropped onto the timeline. You can then add images, movies, or anything else you like.